Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for this power hour clean with me. In today's video, I want you to set a timer and see how much you can get done in today's video. It is always amazing how much you can get done when you're timing yourself. So whether you set an hour timer or just 10 minutes, I can guarantee you're going to get a lot more done than you think you would. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe for weekly motivation, and let's just jump straight into today's video. I'm starting off in the bedroom today, and as I am on the clock, it isn't going to be a deep clean today. I just want to see how tidy I can get my house within the next hour. So I'm going to be mainly focusing on the bedroom, the kitchen and the living room, giving it a good tidy up and a surface clean, and just to see how much we can get done.
Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down.
My house has been neglected for over a week now because of my laundry room makeover. If you haven't seen that video, I will link it at the top in the eye for you. But because I've been doing so much filming behind the scenes, my house hasn't really had a good clean, which is why today I thought I would do a power hour and see how quickly I can get it back to its normal state. So do let me know down in the comments how long you've set your timer for. If you're doing an hour today or just 10 minutes, I would love to know. Once I finished tidying up the living room, I headed through into the kitchen. I will be going back and doing more in the living room, changing over the cushions and also hoovering, but I did want to get as much done as possible within the hour, and I wasn't sure how much time I'd have left, if any, so I wanted to do a surface clean in every room first and then take it from there. If you'd like to follow me on more of a daily basis, see behind the scenes of my YouTube videos, what YouTube videos are coming next, and some instant cleaning motivation, do go ahead and follow me over on my Instagram. I will leave my Instagram link down in the description below.
Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Shooting me with words, but I won't let them bruise. Even though it hurts, I won't show it to you. 'Cause it will ricochet, I won't let it bite. I will look at you and tell you that I'm alright. Like a ricochet, it will come back to you. Let me tell you, no, because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. And even if you're trying to hurt me, my skin's getting thicker each day. I don't know how you fall asleep at night, knowing that your words are
I hope you're enjoying today's Power Hour clean with me so far. If you are, don't forget to leave it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do post here on this channel every Tuesday and Thursday to bring you lots of clean and motivation to help motivate you to clean, declutter and organise your homes as well. So don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already for much more motivation to come.
I used to let it in, all the things you said. You try to turn me into somebody else, but it will ricochet. I won't let it bite. I will look at you and tell you that I'm alright. Like a ricochet, it will come back to you. Let me tell you, no, because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. And even if you're trying to hurt me, my skin's getting thicker each day. Don't know how you fall asleep at night, knowing that your words are hurtful, it's just not right. No, because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. Like a ricochet, like a ricochet, like a ricochet, like a ricochet.
So now it's September, it is time to change out those yellow cushions. I picked up a couple of red cushion covers from IKEA the other day and they were only £1.50 each, so an absolute bargain, and they have a really nice winter feel to them. I know it is only September, but I don't decorate for autumn and then again for winter, and the yellow is just a little bit too spring summer for this time of year now, so I'm just going to put the red on and look forward to Christmas. So it does have a really nice winter feel, being paired with the white throat and white cushions that are already there. So I absolutely love the vibe that this room has now, and it's just made me even more excited for the colder months.
No one knows, but I won't let the stormy seas throw me in open water. Let me have my peace and leave me till tomorrow. Wind into my sail, away from things I let go, floating on the waves. We go bottoms up, we go all the way. When you're feeling down, push the pain away. We go bottoms up, we go all the way, and face that shit another day. We go bottoms up. Hurting in my soul, shaking through my core, left me in the cold. Chained to what I know, drifter on the road, take it where I go.
So now I've finished everything that I'm going to do in the living room. I headed through to put all of the dishes and everything away and also give the sink a good wipe over. As you know, I do love cleaning my sink, so I'm just going to give it a spray with the Method spray and then give it a good clean. Let me know down in the comments how long you set your timer for and how much you got done today. If you focused on your whole house or if you only did one room, I would absolutely love to know. So do let me know down in the comments.
And face that shit another day. We go bottoms up. We go bottoms up. And face that shit another day. We go bottoms up. We go bottoms up.
Thank you so much for watching today's Power Hour Clean with me. I really hope that you've enjoyed it and you found all the motivation that you came looking for today. I am going to go ahead and put another one on the screen for even more motivation, and I will see you back here in the next one.